Papanoorin natin ang introduction video ni Teresita San Winwin Marquez for Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
Hello Universe, I am Teresita San Winwin Marquez, 32, representing Muntinlupa City.
Philinvest.
Did you know my birthstone is an emerald? Since then, green has been my favorite color and my lucky one too. And I've always felt a special bond with Muntinlupa, also known as the Emerald City. Coincidence? I think not.
Wow, ang bilis. And ang nagustuhan ko doon is yung ang consistent talaga nung kanyang styling na very natural lang.
Mm-mm.
So it's something kasi na madaling makarelate ang mga audience, most especially yung mga mothers, which she is also a mother, ganyan. And medyo kinakabahan lang ako dun sa emerald, sa color green, kasi nga alam natin na green is Miss Earth. Nonetheless, ang kumbaga, siksik yung kanyang video, but I was still hoping for more, parang gano'n.
Oo. Sa akin naman, though, nandun tayo dun sa softness and relatability, yung friendliness, yung soft aura, ganyan. I can also feel yung may konting grit, yung parang may fang, may ready to fight, ganyan. Yung parang pageant queen, true and true. Sana there's more about personal stories, mga ganun pa.